This is what happened when I destroyed one AirPod. I lost my AirPod after talking on the phone with my sister in the car. I hung up right before going into the store because I didn't want to be on the phone while Christmas shopping for her, and when I got out of the car, they fell out of my pocket and under the car. Luckily, I was able to reach under the car and get them, and I put them right in my pocket. But I should have opened it up and checked if they were both there right away because I didn't realize that one of them had fallen out. I didn't use my AirPods for another 2 days, so I didn't know I was missing one. When I did realize that one was gone, I knew exactly when I lost it. Optimistically, I went back to that parking lot, hoping to see that maybe someone handed it in to one of the nearby stores, or it was still there intact. It had been raining and snowing a bit, so it might have been a little wet, but I still hoped that it would be okay. Sadly, I found it crushed and destroyed. I guess someone had run it over, and I can't blame them. I was so sad finding it because I was optimistic. I wanted to just leave it there, but I knew it wasn't right to leave the trash on the ground. So I picked it up with a napkin and left it in my car. I went to the Apple store to see if I could get a replacement. I didn't have Apple Care, so I knew that it wouldn't be cheap, and I was kind of frustrated because I wanted to just buy a new one, but they made me sign up for a service appointment and said I had to come back in 2 hours. They asked me if I still had the AirPod, and I said yes, so they told me to bring it back. I thought it was weird that they needed it, but they said it would be $15 more expensive if it was lost instead of broken. So I guess it was good that I picked up that piece of garbage because it's saving me $15. When I came back from my appointment, the man told me that it was the most destroyed AirPod that he had ever seen. I think he was trying not to laugh. He says sometimes he sees AirPods that are chewed up, but nothing was ruined this badly. It was $89, so $100 after tax, which is a lot better than buying a new pair of AirPods. I'm glad they made me hand in that piece of garbage because otherwise I may have held on to it due to the sentimental value and the memory attached.